Discover Monicor, your tool for optimal health. Your body speaks in frequencies. Are you ready to listen and respond? As a therapist, you need reliable and advanced tools to give your clients a clear and holistic understanding of their health. Monicor provides a unique opportunity to analyze the functional state of the body's organs, systems, spine, and energy pathways. You can also identify the possible presence of parasites, viruses, fungi, and other microorganisms, as well as detect deficiencies in essential minerals. Monicor even allows you to test how well certain supplements and foods match each individual's needs. What makes Monicor unique compared to other solutions on the market is its ability not only to detect imbalances, but also to correct them. This makes it a powerful instrument for promoting deep and lasting well-being. For private users, Monicor offers a revolutionary way to create your own wellness clinic at home. Without any special training, you can regularly monitor and optimize your health. Monicor automatically scans and balances your health parameters, making it easy to take control of your well-being. Whether you're a professional therapist or someone looking to take charge of your own health, Monicor is your partner for a healthier future. Your body speaks in frequencies. Are you listening?